Hi, this is Mina Barsoom with CDOCS and welcome to the tip of the day. Today I want to show you a technique on using the CEREC Connect software and how the cases are sent into your SureSmile dashboard. So we have a case that we scanned and we uploaded the case through the Connect portal. We chose SureSmile as our laboratory to send it to, and now I'm logged into my patient database on my SureSmile platform. So what you'll see here, there's a couple of tabs that you'll work out of. Tasks will give you the immediate things that need to be addressed, and it'll show you the case we just sent in. You can also go to DS CEREC orders, and then you can import the case from there. So either way, you can bring the case in. Once I click on import, it will automatically bring in the patient's name, the models, the date of birth, and I can simply go through and choose the case type that I want to do. In this case, it'll be a full service aligner case. And once I do that, I can continue uploading the images and the photos like normal, put in my macros and my prescription, and then send the case off to SureSmile for planning. So this makes it a lot easier, so you don't have to export STL files and bring them in manually. You can simply use the CEREC Connect portal to automatically upload the cases to SureSmile. So hopefully this was a helpful time-saving tool for you, and we look forward to seeing you again soon in future videos. Take care.